Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome to York Marina. We're here today, very excited today. We're going to give you a tour and go for a cruise on my uncle's boat. He's never had a boat before, this is his first boat, so he wanted to go for something a bit small and modest and
compact,
manageable, you know, get mid-50s. So meet Bales. This tiny little Springer.
A 60-foot widebeam boat. They've been living in it for about 3 weeks. We came to have a look and go for a cruise so we actually can compare narrowboat to widebeam.
And they're very, very nervous about taking it out. So we'll just pre-warn you.
Welcome to Cruising Alba.
We invite you to join us on our adventure living off-grid and travelling the UK Canal network. I'm Miles.
And I'm Marina.
So, first thing you'll notice is this boat doesn't have a tiller like we do on our boat. So they have a steering wheel instead, which is, we've had a go, it's pretty good, but does take some getting used to. Yeah. Welcome to the cruiser's stern. Absolutely massive. So Bales is 60 foot long and 12 foot wide. So it's powered by a 60 horsepower Beta Marine engine. It's much quieter than our engine. I think that's because their decking boards are a bit better than ours, but it is a bit quieter, yes. Huge engine bay. Chlorifier to heat the hot water, spare tiller in case the steering packs up. Anyway, let's show you inside because it's more fun, isn't it? Hello.
Before we'll take you inside, I'll show you these guys' electrical cupboard. So they've got 3000 kilowatts Vitron inverter charger. And also they have an additional Webasto heating, which is a diesel heating with the operation system here. Come inside.
Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to Colin and Jen, the owners of their new boat, 3 weeks in.
Indeed, hello.
This is Gracie.
And Gracie, yeah.
How's it going, boat life?
It's good. Every day is an explore and learning something new and enjoying it in different ways and being more connected to nature.
Very relaxing, very chilling. Enjoying the mornings, enjoying the evenings, enjoying every kind of weather. Yeah, lovely.
So far, but
Yeah.
we know it's going to get tougher in winter. Bales is about 2 years old, so we're her second owners. So what we've inherited is this really, and we've only been 3 weeks, so
Still got some dressing to do, but yeah.
I don't know, oven and grill and microwave, which is nice.
Freezer down here. And actually cooking in here is, I think it's the nicest place I've cooked because everything is just so kind of ergonomic and to hand, and obviously got the social aspect as well. So yeah, loving that so far. And then we've got our fridge here, and that's a bit of a challenge because, you know, we're used to a bigger fridge, so we need to cut down a little bit. And then we've got our living area. Dual fuel wood burner. Multi-fuel burner.
Yeah.
Morsel squirrels.
Yeah, more so, which is a good make, we are led to believe.
And then we've got a double sofa bed, which is handy when we've got people staying, that pulls out, and I think quite comfy. I don't know.
Yes, it is very comfy.
Yeah. TV, obviously, which is quite essential.
We've reinstated stalls because we thought we needed an eating area.
So they've got 2 hatches on either side, something that our boat doesn't have, and we would love to have some hatches to just do this every day.
So the Canal Street sign I've had for about 17 years, and it came off of the set of a production of A Taste of Honey, at York Theatre Royal in, I think it's 2003 or something like that. And of course, A Taste of Funny is set in Manchester on Canal Street. So I managed to get this legitimately, and we've had it in every property that we've had, and it's never been more pertinent than it is on this boat, really, because we're now on Canal Street.
We have exactly the same radiators on Alba, but these ones are really, really good. I think ours are actually a little bit shorter, but exactly the same look we potentially make. They've got water inside, but they run on diesel, and also you can set up timer. So for cold winter mornings, you can set up a timer and have them come on like at 6 o'clock in the morning before you wake up, and makes the whole boat really tasty. The next room we're going to show you guys is a guest bedroom. Come with me. Here it is. It's got a single bed and a beautiful, really warm radiator with a lovely view through the porthole. But actually the windows are double glazed, that we forgot to mention. So all of the windows on the boat are double glazed, and you can also take them out of the socket, which is incredible. We've got loads of beautiful light in here. There's also a single wardrobe in this room. This boat has so much storage, it's insane.
The next room on our tour is the bathroom. Now this bathroom would be the envy of most people living on land, let alone a boat. This bathroom is probably bigger than that bedroom. Come in. So this is the bathroom. It is huge. Get in here, full head height. Yeah, nice. Swing around a bit, you're not on a boat. You do not feel like you're on a boat on this wide beam. It is like being in a very nice flat or house. They've got a fetch for cassette. There is storage here. They've got things in there. Goes all the way through. Places for towels, whatnots, and then the sink.
Beautiful marble floor.
And finally, we've got the master bedroom. Really cool porthole. So you can see through. And this is the master.
This bedroom is bigger than most bedrooms I've ever had, and it has incredible storage. Can you hear the rain? It's so loud! There is a beautiful mirror, dressing desk, under bed storage, 2 bedset tables with storage, and a massive double wardrobe. There is storage under the steps as well, so every space is utilised very efficiently. We really wanted to take you guys out on the bow, but it's really, really raining outside.
So it's a Viking bow, so nice big front. Gives you a bit of privacy as well in your bedroom without having to close all your curtains.
There is a gas locker out there. It's a really nice area. In the morning you can open the doors and have a cup of tea out there. It's almost like a balcony. Today we're taking Bales for a cruise to York. It's the first time Colin and Jen are going into town by boat, and it's their longest journey yet.
The water does run really fast. The water runs really fast. It's not like this in the Thames.
Hey, sweetie.
This is more of a wild, untamed river, whereas the Thames, you've got a lock every mile, it's all very sedate.
Manicured.
Manicured, but sedate. This river is always flooded. You get a day of rain, this is always flooded.
Didn't they say the pontoon goes up by 7 meters?
At least 4, I can at least see 4 meters, yeah.
Wow.
All out here is like floodplain. That's like the main road, so you can see it all, and it just...
Wow.
I would be pretty scared to have a boat on here.
We are passing Bishopthorpe Palace. It's the official residence of the Archbishop of York. It was originally constructed in 13th century, with various wings and additions built over time. This palace has had its resident archbishop since 1241, apart from 10 years somewhere in 17th century. Captain at the helm! That's the old Terry's chocolate factory coming up. York is a city with rich history. Founded by pre-Roman Britons, overtaken by Romans who left an impressive wall surrounding the town until this day. It changed hands many times and was occupied by Danish Vikings and Normans along many others. We would love to show you the city one time, but today it's all about the boat. Welcome to York. It's pretty chilly up here. I'm wearing all my layers. So now we're going to go for brunch and we'll take you guys back with us. We're going back to the York Marina.
The water, it's so brown, it's like driving in Yorkshire tea. This is a formal swing bridge that is now only used by cyclists and pedestrians. This bridge is known as the Fisherman Bridge because of the metal structure of a fisherman sitting on top. To be honest, I can't quite imagine how this huge construction used to move, but it must have been very impressive to watch.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Did something different, didn't we? If you like this episode, please click that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new here to follow along our adventure. As always, a huge thank you to our amazing patrons who make these videos possible for you every week. So that's Bales. Thank you so much for coming on the tour with us. So this guy's got Instagram and Facebook at Bales Widebeam. We'll put the link down below in the description if you guys want to follow their adventure too.
And if you want to ask them any wide beamery questions, they'd very much like to answer.
Thanks guys. See you in the next one.